Welcome back. So today in this video, I am going to share with you some of my very favorite products that I use together all day, every day when I am out and about. So welcome, my name's Andrea Carver and I am a leader with 31. So thankful that you are here. Okay, so you all know about our large utility tote. It is our #1 selling product. We've had it for years. I think we've had it since 2009 maybe, but it is our top selling product of all time because it is so versatile. You can use it for so many things, I promise you. It can hold way more than you think you can, and it can actually hold more, so much that you can't even carry it. So definitely watch out on that one. But this is the large utility tote in the navy Oasis print. It's so beautiful. It's got little flakes of taupe and off-white and white. And I did the inner circle personalization. I did that C in the white thread color here, which I think kind of blends in, but it still stands out here. Now, if you're like me and you have an Aldi where you live, you know that you have to take your own bags, or a lot of places are actually banning plastic bags. And so we have solutions for you here at 31, and our utility totes are definitely one of those, and our thermals. But this is, of course, it has that, I've got something in here, but it does have that rectangular open area, and then you've got the wire rim around the top here, so it does hold a lot of groceries. That's actually what I keep this in my car for, is for those Aldi runs and grocery runs. So you can store your groceries on either side here, but on the interior of here in the middle, I have our soft cooler insert. So it will actually snap into place. You see the two little round circles, the little grommets. This thermal actually snaps through those here on both sides, and it helps it to stay in place, and it also helps your utility tote to stand up tall. But the interior of the soft cooler insert has our thermal lining, so you can keep cold things cold and warm things warm in here. It does have that leak lock lining, which means you can put ice in here if you'd like to. But this is so great for those cold items, you know, those dips and things like that when you are going to Aldi, and you can keep those cold in here, and definitely take this on the inside of Aldi with you, but always keep one of these in your car as well. So y'all know about our customer special with 31. I love to call it our 50/50 special. For every $50 that you spend at regular price, you can get any regular priced item for 50% off. So let's build a bundle that's going to work for you as an everyday bundle. I promise you, you will use this over and over. So you can grab your large utility tote, add a soft cooler insert, and that's going to get you to the $50 level. And then you might want to grab one of my favorite products. This is called the Relaxed Crossbody. So this could be a crossbody that's an everyday use for you. I love that it's thin, but it really does hold. It'll hold a Benjamin's wallet. It'll hold any of our wallets. It is adjustable, so you can adjust this crossbody strap to be a little higher, a little lower. You can even adjust it to where you can wear it on your shoulder like this. But this, it comes in several prints, but this is, it even comes in this navy Oasis print if you wanted to grab that. But this is that hibiscus pink. This is our signature 31 pink. And then I did the Gives Heart personalization, and I did that in the cotton candy thread color there. So you do have a little pocket here on to store things. You've got our signature cell phone pocket here on the back. You do have a zipper closure, and then on the interior of here, it is a lined bag with two flat interior pockets and a zipper pocket. So this could be your half price item with your utility tote bundle. That's soft utility tote, or soft cooler insert, and then the large utility tote. So look how gorgeous this is. If you did want to do this color, you might even personalize this in hot pink. Oh my gosh, it's so beautiful. So let me know what you think about this bundle. If you haven't already, or if you know that it is going to be on your wish list now, I'd love to know. But again, thank you so much for watching. I'll link everything below. If you're interested in joining 31 as a consultant this season, I'd love to chat with you and answer any questions that you have. If you're interested in hosting a party, I can set up a shopping link for you in no time flat. And you can share that shopping link with your friends and your family, and then earn rewards from their orders. You can even shop on your own link if you wanted to. And there's lots of ways to party online, in person, texting party. There's so many ways. Just share your shopping link. And of course, always remember when you're shopping about our customer special. But thank you so much. If you're watching today and you do not have a 31 consultant of your own and you live in the United States, I'd love to be your girl. So I'll link below my VIP group on Facebook and you can click to join, answer the 2 questions. I'm going to send you back a private message. So make sure that you check that message request folder. If you're in Messenger, you can click the 3 little lines and then go to message requests and then you'll see my message there to you, hopefully. And we'll get you added to my group. But again, thank you so much for watching. Have a good day. Bye.